Welcome to Sakung Follow Viewer.
Hi, yes. Next topic, employee payroll table in MS Excel using formula. See here, employee payroll table. Employee payroll table. Any employee in the private company take to the salary in time to time, and government also. Here one person how to take the salary, how to what are the requirements are there in the salary, how much amount will be by hand, and ending month of the salary. I am explaining this video. Okay, first any employee has the number, employee ID number, and employee name. Here employee name, this is the basic salary but is not a confirmation of the salary. In the basic salary, which one are allotted that? What is that? First one, HRA. HRA means house rent allowances. This is very important. House rent allowances is there, and traveling allowances also is there, and DA, Dearness allowances, and MA medical allowances. These are all allowances are must and should included the salary. How to calculate in this house rent salary, TA, DA, MA. Here percentages are given here. These are all on the basic salary, okay, including the basic salary. What is this? This one is the gross salary. Gross salary is the month's total salary is along with the basic salary and allowances and complete allowances. How many allowances is there? 4 allowances: house rent, and TA traveling allowances, and DA wellness allowances, and medical allowances. These are all allowances total are called the allowances. In the total allowances are including the basic salary. Here comes the gross salary. In the gross salary of how many is the lessing on there? Lessing on there means PF. Provident fund is taken to the retirement of the ending of the retirement, and income tax is IRS, and life insurance premium. This is also taken to after retirement. Some members are taken to middle also. In this all are what in the green color. These all are deductions. Deductions means is the less of the salary is not taken to now in the future. It means these all called a complete salary will call net salary. Okay, understood? These all are called a formulas how to calculate on that in the salary. Okay, first one, what is the calculating on here? House rent allowances. Okay, house rent allowances, how to calculate on that? Basic salary into house rent allowances percentage. See here, any calculation of the Excel is equal to compulsory. Okay, first basic salary, selected that, and into shift 8. What is that? Shift 8. After select the on basic of HRA, click enter. This is called a house rent allowances. You are living on the own house also. House rent is compulsory given on that. Next, traveling allowances. How to calculate on that? Same, basic salary is equal to, before is equal to, select the basic salary and shift 8. After select the TA percentage. Okay, click enter. Next, dearness allowances. Okay, how to calculate is equal to, and basic salary into shift 8 and D percentage. These are all compulsory calculating on the basic salary. It means what's including of the basic salary. Okay. Next, MA, medical allowances. Okay. Medical allowances again take to the is equal to and selected the basic salary after shift 8 after select the basic salary percentage. Click enter. Okay. How to calculate the allowances? How to calculate the allowances? Is equal to, this means sum. What is that? Sum, open bracket, and what is that salaries of best? This means allowances, HRA, TA, DA and MA. Okay, these are all called calculated. Select all that one. After closing bracket, click enter. This is called a allowances. Only allowances, not include the basic on that. Only calculate allowances. How many allowances? 4 is there. Next, how to calculate the gross salary. How to calculate the gross salary. Gross salary means including the basic salary, summing on that. Okay. What is that? Is equal to basic salary. How much is the basic salary? This one. And plus after allowances, how many is there? This one. Already these are all calculated now. That way selected only allowances. 4 allowances adding after 6075 answer is there. Only that one only selected. Enter. What is it got in there? Gross salary. This means total salary. But not by hand is not came. Why? Because is the deduction items is there. What is that? Deduction items is income tax, provident funds and life insurance. These are all deducted after net salary came. Okay. Well, how to deduction on that? Is equal to, what is the formula? Gross salary into IT. IT means income tax. Okay. Gross salary, how much is there? This one. Into shift 8. IT allowances, percentages are given. Enter. Okay, this one income tax. Okay, next one is equal to provident fund. How to calculate on that? Again, gross salary and shift 8 after provident fund percentage. Next one is equal to gross salary shift 8 into life insurance percentage. Okay. Next, how to deduction on that? Deduction means what? Sum to the IT, income tax, PF and life. Same calculator on this is called a deduction. Deduction means it's deducted of the salary. Okay. How to that? Is equal to sum, open bracket, and this means shift 9 after selected all, close bracket, enter. This is called a deduction. If the deduction is reducing the gross salary, where is deduction on this? Here. See here is equal to where it is gross salary minus deduction. Deduction amount how much is got? 1783. Okay. What is that? Deduction means less than, is not taken this one, is all are reduce the salary. Okay. Now selected gross salary. Gross salary how much is there? That one minus 2 deduction salary. Enter. How much is the net salary? Which salary is taken on him? 16,791 rupees every month. This ID person by hand taken this salary. This is called a one employee payroll table. This is called a employee payroll table. This is the main one person how to got the how many reducers is there, how many allowances is there. Okay, once you see anyone is there, any employee taken to the base salary, it adding to the HRA, house rent allowances, travel allowances, rent allowances and medical allowances. These are all added after. Allowances are including how much? 12,500 plus 6,075. After gross salary, how much is got? 18,575. This is not taken to the hand. Why? Because is deduction the income tax. Every person take tax is very compulsory. And PF means provident fund after retirement given in this, and LIC policy insurance every person taken on this. These are all deductions after it taken to the monthly salary. This means anyone this here anyone see here. Suppose I modified the here 25,000 on the this person's salary, automatically change all this one. See, changing on that here person is basic salary is the 25,000, already is the house rent and all of this one. Gross salary how many is there previous? 18,000 something. Here how much is there? 37,150. But it deduction after how many is taken? 33,583. This means once basic salary changing on that is promoted, got any changing on that, only changing on here automatically changing all of this. Okay, again I am same will continue 12,500. See here, say what I am explaining the video, same will again. This is called a one payroll table, means one employee which amount is the basic salary, how to allowances is there, how to allowances adding on there, how many deductions is there every person, how to deduction on that, how much amount is net salary by month. In this called a explain in this video. Thank you viewers. Anyone first time saw my videos, my channel, please subscribe on that and click the bell icon